Hey guys, it's John from John's DIY Playground. Today I want to do a quick review about this CPAP accessory that you use for your hose. I guess the proper name for the part is called the elbow swivel, and I use this on my ResMed AirSense 10, and I've had the device for about a year or a little bit more. And this is the original one on the left, and what was happening is we try to clean it. You can run water through it and try to clean up everything in here with these little holes, but what happens is this part in here, this plastic ring, there's some sort of filter type material in there that helps make it more quiet, and you can't take this whole assembly apart to clean it, and it gets just kind of filthy. And I try to soak it in vinegar or do other things to clean it up, but it just has been hard to clean, and I wanted to get a new one. So I looked around Amazon. I couldn't find really one with good reviews, so I actually ended up going with a company called CPAPnation.com, and I'll leave a link to them in the description below. And this is the one I got, and it appears to be completely identical. I've already put it on my machine and it's working fine. This one they're calling the elbow swivel for quiet air, and it fits the F20 and F30 systems for ResMed, and part number NMI 63494. And again, I'll put that in the description below. So as of this filming, which is March 2022, I paid $20 for the new one, so not too bad. I think I will replace them every 6 months or once a year. One thing that was slightly different that I noticed, and I think this is just wear and tear, is the old one kind of freely swivels, right? It's like really easy, and this could be because it's been used for a year, right? This one's got just a little bit of resistance that I feel when I swivel it back and forth, but otherwise, like I said, it's 100% identical. It swivels down here at the bottom, it swivels up at the top. So yeah, I highly recommend it, and I would say check it out. If you have any questions, please leave them in the description below, and please like and subscribe the video. This is John from John's DIY Playground. Have a great day.